Hello guys, in this video we are discussing here the questions of the mathematics of NIOS class 10th. Before starting this, I want to share something. Encyclohub is providing the PDF and the handwritten answers in the on the WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is 900-936-8238 so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Here the mathematics questions which you can see on the screen. So question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 all are the short answer questions, and then question number 4 and question number 5 are lengthier answer than comparison to 1 to 3, and the last one question which is question number 6, which is you can see this is a project question and you need to write in the project type. So and you can write in the uh, up to 500 words. So thank you so much for watching. If you want these answers, you can contact us on our WhatsApp so that we will provide all the answers accordingly.